So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to search listings for rent here on Zumper. So once Zumper is opened up, I want you to go to the location right here and then select a location of your choice. So I'll just go ahead and use New York City for the example. But this can be, of course, any location you want. Now, once you're here, you actually do have a view that's split, but if you want to change this to the map view to see whereabouts you're looking, you can do that. I'll just keep the map view or the split view for this demonstration. Now, once you're here, there's a bunch of different apartments right here. You can go ahead and change this to whatever listing you're looking for. So if you're looking for specifically 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms in regards to a condo or a house, you can go ahead and press on that, press on view results. Then these results will change this way. You can play around with it. You can go to a townhouse right here, press on search. You can see the townhouses this way. So it's very simple, it's very straightforward, but this is how to search for listings for rent here on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.